Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So what's the secret to winning more cleaning bids? You know in the movie The Gladiator, when the veteran gladiator was giving advice to all the gladiators about to go into the Colosseum, and he said, win the crowd. Well, fortunately, we're not back in the Colosseum days when that's going on. But the win the crowd line is an interesting thing because it applies in some ways to selling. We're trying to win the prospective client's trust. Well, how do we do that? Well, you could look at price and job specifications and how many days a week and your insurance and extra services you offer, all kinds of things, references. Those are all tools, though, to win the trust of your prospective client. It's like things that have to be checked off. Is the price okay? Are the job specs right? I mean, is this giving us what we want? Are they experienced? Do they offer the extra services we need? These are many things, factors, variables that have to be there. But the secret to winning more cleaning bids may have a lot to do with winning the crowd, winning the trust of that prospective client. And there may be two parts of that, at least two parts. One is to make sure that by communicating with them, not just emailing a proposal, but really trying to take every opportunity you can to communicate with them, visiting, delivering the proposal, talking to them about it, getting chances, every chance you can, to demonstrate that you know the challenges that they're facing regarding cleaning and how your cleaning service can more than handle it and is experienced in taking care of those problems, so that you can do the second part, which is also learning to trust you. Say, listen, no, we understand clearly from listening to you what it is you need and some of the challenges you need taken care of. And here's how we're going to do it. When they listen to you describe it, and then they go through your price and your job specifications and what you offer in insurance, they begin to see the picture that you can in fact handle it. Winning the crowd is winning the trust of that prospective client by demonstrating every chance you can to show that above any other cleaning service, you are the one best suited to take care of them. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.